Hello again YouTube. Today I'm going to show you a video on how to use and request Steam family sharing. It's currently in beta. First of all, you need to join the group called Steam Family Sharing. To do this you need to go to steamcommunity.com/groups/family sharing. I will put the link in the description for you. What you need to do is then join that group, and after that we're going to show you how to share games with friends and share games with family members. Now the problem is with Steam family sharing is you've got to have the person living near you. Now I've found a way around that, and also you need to give them the password if they're not near you. Found a way around that. Now what we need to do is first of all download and install a program called Teamviewer. This is a free piece of software for personal private use. Just download and install that piece of software. Obviously, like I said, it's free. Install that piece of software onto your machine. Then what we're going to need to do is, well, basically both of you have to have TeamViewer enabled for this to work. Just ask them to install it, or tell them to watch this video and they'll understand what they need to do. So what we're going to do is first off is load up TeamViewer. You'll get a box like this. Now in here we'll have your ID and your password. I will be changing this as soon as I upload the video, so it's not the same. Now what you need to do is ask them for their ID. Then you type it in here, and then you'll be asked for a password. Now I have the computer added to my own personal account as it's my computer, so this needs a load of setting up to do to add these on. But what we need to do is first click the computer. Well, what you do is type in their number, click connect to partner. Once you've connected to the partner, it will ask you for a password. You type in the password that they'll give you, which would be here on their screen, and then we log in, which we'll get to now. I'm going to connect to this machine. Now we're logged in onto the computer, and what we need to do now is basically go to their Steam, which will either be loaded already or load it up. Open Steam up like so. As you can see, I'm using the TeamViewer now. It's a little laggy, but it's not too bad. Then we need to go to the Steam button and click settings, and where it's here you'll notice that if you don't have this should be a button here. If it's not there, you do not have Steam file sharing, so they will not be able to share games with you, and vice versa. But if you do have, right, what we do is we log them out. So we click change user and log them out. And then a box should appear automatically. We won't have to do nothing. Then we'll log ourselves in and type in our password. Once you've typed in the password, make sure that's unticked so that they can't stay into your account. Click login. Then normally Steam will come up with a special box saying check your emails to verify it's you. Now once you've checked, once you've found it, right, hang on, there we go. Sorry, I'm already on Steam. So what we've done, right, let me start again. Once you've logged in, it will send an email to your email account asking for you to verify it's you by using a code. Make sure after entering the code, don't click next or finish. Untick the box, which basically it will be in the bottom left hand corner saying remember this computer. You don't want to remember the computer because it's not your machine. So we untick that and then click next. I hope that made some sense. Then once you've logged in like I am now, we go to Steam and then we go to settings, and then you should have this: manage family sharing and devices. We click that button and then we add whoever it is into which is this computer. We click it and then we click authorize. You just click authorize there and it'll say what would you like to name this computer. You say, like I've put CAF's PC, and then click OK. Then close it off and then click OK again, and then log yourself out. Make sure you log yourself out, don't mess this up. So you click change user, OK, log out, make sure it logs off, and then what we need to do is click the X on the network PC. Well, this is my network PC. On Teamviewer, close it off and then click OK, and then they've got to repeat the same process with you, but you need to make sure that you have your network sharing enabled. I hope this has helped you out a lot. Obviously ensure that I take no responsibility for using this software. This is just to cover my own ass. But it is safe. I've used it with a few people, as you've seen, and it's working brilliant. There's another thing that I'd like to inform you about is after you've got their games up, which would obviously show where it says all games, you can specify what games you want. Then click and download the games that you want, and here, as you can see, I've downloaded it, I've played it today. It's shared by Stephen, thanks to him for letting me share his library. But it's in use. Now if it's in use, I have to buy the game. It will kick you off after 5 minutes. If you're playing the game for 5 minutes, for 30 minutes, he wants to play any game in his library. If he plays it, it will give you a 5-minute warning to save what you've got, then you quit, or it will knock you off the game. So as you can see, it's in use at the moment, so I would not have been able to play it. I took a screenshot of this just to show that the play button's not there, it says buy. But once, if he's not playing, it will just say share by Stephen, and that but in use will be disappeared, and it'll say play now. I hope this video has helped you out a lot with understanding the new Steam family sharing. I'm sorry it ain't no easier to share your games, but I'm hoping that this has helped you out a lot. Now, thanks ever so much for watching the video. Please like and share this video, and also it would be really kind if you could subscribe. If you're watching this video before November the 4th, I'd like you to check out my other video where you can win a piece of software. I'm giving away 30 copies of this software every day till the 4th of November. So check out my other video. I will post a link right here, right in the center of the screen. So thank you very much. Please rate and subscribe and like this video. Thank you very much. Bye.